Hello everyone. Create purchase order from the product app will help user to create and purchase order from the products by single click. Now let's get into an inventory to see how it actually works. So for that, under products you can see the product variants. Let's get into that. From this list of products we need to select the product. For those products we can create and purchase order. Okay. So for example, I'm going to select N5 product. Now under action you can see an option to create and purchase order. Let's get into that. It will open a wizard where we need to select a vendor name. Okay, let's select a vendor name. Once the vendor name is selected, you can just click on the purchase order which is available here. It will create and purchase order. So now let's get into the purchase module. Here in this purchase module you can see this is the order that we have placed. User can see the purchase order will be created with the vendor entered and all the products that we have added. In this way, we can make use of this module to create and purchase order from the products. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries. And if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. To see more about and purchase related module, check our BrowseInfo playlist to see all newly updated purchase features that we have. Thanks for watching.